Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. And very special. I thank God for the gift of life. So today it's a bright morning, and right now, guys, this is my outfit of today, guys. Black and also red. So and then also sandals, guys. So I just thank God, man. So my home is right over there. So but it's quite morning, and I'm outside. I'm fully outside. So technically I'm heading this way, and if you meet these videos, kindly guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment, and also share my videos. That is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, guys. So to be honest, today we left the village for some few minutes or few hours, and then we're back. So I'm fully outside. I just head this way, guys. So a bright morning like this, man, wow. So if you watch these videos from first up to the end, today I'm trying to change the location, but for now I haven't have any clue about where we are heading to. I just received the phone. It's just like a emergency call, so I received the phone, and then I'm just around, so passing here to check my brother's goat, because I heard from home over there making noise here. Maybe something happened before I leave. Wow. So let's see that goat. It's a black goat, you know, a black goat like this one over here. Okay, you know, a goat is like a human being. So the only thing is the big issue about the animal is to talk, but you can look. So this is the problem. So the rope is round on this on these trees. We're supposed to remove. Hola. Like that. Wow. So you know, I'm at home there, and I had the goat making noise. Ma. I said, what's up with our goat? So finally, look at this. I solved the issue. So let's move on. So today, guys, I'm not on motorbike, simply because it has some problem, and also the gas went off. So today I'm just walk from here up to Villa Menjelin, maybe to Concrete Mom. That's the places that most of the time I was been there doing my own things, you know. Men must hustle. I'm telling you, men, you must wake up in the morning like this. You hustle. Even for those people working in the office, you must wake up in the morning. You go and work maybe some couple of hours, and then you came back. And for me here, I must wake up in the morning to make sure that I make the best videos ever. So today, no motorbike. That being said, it has some problem, and maybe when I get money later, I will solve. The tires got some big punctures, so I'm supposed to purchase new tires. So one tires goes to around 50 USD, so almost Kenyan money 4,000. So maybe I think next month I will purchase. So this is my beauty of our village, guys. They plant maize. Oh, wow. So my neighbor is shocking. But when he saw my big stomach and my body increase in size, they were being kind of shocked. But it's a good thing, guys. When you eat good, you don't want to think maybe big things, stupid thing. Your body is relaxing. You're good to go. You're good to go. I'm telling him. Yeah. I'm telling him, wait me to go together because I'm going to Nyabohans. Also, wow. So today's videos, guys, I hope you enjoy. So I left the village random and we flew outside. Woo! Look the beauty of my village, guys. Everywhere. Technically, it's pure green. Super green. Everywhere. Look. And you can't imagine, inside that bush or forest, you have a beautiful house, a tall building house. Inside there, imagine, inside there is a nicer house. Wow. So I'm telling you today, no motorbike, guys. Maybe I will reach there so late. See that? Oh, Masak. Hayar. Akira Pantuvan. Gambia, hello. This is my friend of my dad, guys. I mean, if you go to my hair, there's some yams over there. Makani mbono na hapo, okay? Homayani karamwit. Hey, hey. Uko masacho tawi bisa we kai. I'm telling him, guys, nowadays I don't have anything. The full catch me and I supposed to. Can I kirima? Can I hear it? There is a boy. I can't say go corner hand. You don't corner babe. Hey. Guys, there's a song we're being sung by the artist of Kenya, Angukanai. Yeah. Well, guys, you know, in our village here, most of the time, man, I'm friendly to people, you know. So when guys, today wear the black shirt and it's too sunny, but it is what it is. So go back to the point. So in our village here, I'm friendly to people. So when people find, from my home up to maybe Nyabohanse, I can greet so many people in the road. Imagine, which is a good idea, a good thing, you know. So let's move on. Whew. I'm so confused, guys, to wear the black shirt. What? It absorbs heat so fast. I'm telling you. So at my back, just like overheating. But let's go. Whew. So, oh, wow, guys. Wow. You can see, so this is the road that I'm using, going to Nyabohanse, and then when I reach at Nyabohanse, there's the market, and then I branch, I cut across or I divert the tarmac road when I go to other side. And actually, maybe when I use geographical method, when I go like this way, I'm going like to Villamengen this way, but there are no roads here, so we use this one, you know. Wow. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. Alright guys, so I'm keep moving. So today, that being said, no motorbike, and I thank God yesterday we have a lot of rain, guys. You can see, look. So here you must be very careful. Maybe it's like, see these stones, there's some stones, man. Wow. So here you must be very careful, but I thank God today make an exercise. So maybe when my bike will be okay, I'll start walking with it or riding a motorbike. But for now, let's move. Wow, you can see it's quite, so guys, don't mind, sorry, that is my voice, maybe for the flu, and I will be quick recover soon. I think by soon. Wow, look at that land, man. So that land is on sale over here, so I think the owner of the land insists me, why not? So I'm telling him, you just go. So it's around maybe 160 by 60, 180 by 60. That one that you see there. Whoa. Let's move on. I'm keep going down. And I think by tomorrow, guys, I'll be okay. By tomorrow. So since I was coughing, I think by tomorrow I'll be okay. So the whole night I was coughing. Oh, whoa. So wow. Hey, that's the cow grazing over there. The beauty of the cow. Let's move on. Before we move to the next destination, I must be here. And Chagala. Chogolo. Wow. Hey, let me open here. Wow, guys. So and then I close the gate. So I'm supposed to look, maybe there is some work which we have talked with Mr. Gake, and I'm supposed to be seen. Wow. Again, fawn and dog are eating here. Look, they're enjoying food here. Wow. And inside they have some hen. Guys, if you remember, this hen I was taking from other side over there, where the horses are grazing on the house. So they are doing good. So let's see. Wow. Before I go to the next new destination, must check everything. Rabbit, so they need food, man. They need food, look. It's hungry. So I'm supposed to open here to give them some food. You know, if they feel hungry, that's the food. They are enjoying now. A white rabbit. Wow. So, but my big aim is to head down that way and then I go this way. So, to see the work for today before I left. Wow. So maybe today it's supposed to arrange that work. Oh, that's the papaya, guys. Papaya, it's doing good, man. You know the beauty of our village, you must have some fruits around maybe your compound, around your garden, you know. So these things supposed to be squeezed back. It's supposed to be squeezed back. This one here supposed to be squeezed on this point here, and I think this is the work for tomorrow. So today no one is maybe like yesterday we pumped water there, so we're supposed to wash the fish pond and then we see what is going on. So before that, let me check the tomatoes which we have planted and all stuff, you know. So let's see. Wow, that's Malaika over there. Malaika is grazing, and that's Rio. That being said, Rio Baba, that's Rio. Wow. So I'm heading this way, and technically I want to check our tomatoes, how it's doing. Maybe it's required maybe to stop raising some fertilizer and so on. Wow. So we compose some manure here from the animal or the cow dung. We compose here. Maybe in less than 6 months we shall use it. Maybe. Wow. Before I go there, and I see the orange is doing good. Look at this. Wow. Even some mango. Wow, it's doing good. You know, that's the good our daily routine. You must check all stuff. Even the passion tree are doing good. Oh. When you have a lot of rain, you have the channel, water's going to. So let me check the clay bath. Maybe it's full of water. Whoa, look. Over there, there's the clay bath around there. Look. And it's clean. Wow. So I want to check the tomatoes and then I go to the next destination, guys. Hey, the scum is doing good. You know, rain is everything. Rain is everything. Maybe in terms of farmer, in terms of farming, rain is everything. Wow. Over there, there's yam, man. Oh my God, tomatoes are doing good. Are doing good. You can see, are doing good, guys. Look at this one here. Look at this one. I'm doing good. So we're supposed maybe to give less than 1 week, and then we top the fertilizer and to do so on and also to apply the chemical, you know. So here where you put some horses to spray them some chemical, yes, some spray, I mean. Wow, let's move on. So it's doing good, and let's see. Oh wow, guys, I was passing here. So So the reason why we fence this place and we made a small gate is because Rio and Malaika suppose close the gates. Wow. So for today, let's move on. Let's move on. Wow. And this place is wait. Malaika, Rio. Rio, Baba. So I'm heading this way. Ooh. Oh. This place, you know, when Rio sees something over there, they're supposed to run going that way. Wow. So by God's grace, tomorrow morning, this is the work that we want to do here. So I have already, I think yesterday I brought the nails. So we want to organize with Mr. Gaki. Tomorrow's work is to be here. I think so. Well guys, so stay tuned as I leave here to the next destination. Follow this vlog until the end, guys.
How is the shop going? What happened?
Oh guys, we just over here and we left our car, a beautiful car here, and I have something else here. So guys, keep moving on this to this vlog. Oh, Wagwan guys, so today is a very special day and we just over here. All right, D, you just go this way. Okay, I'm supposed to direct D. No, D, you're supposed to go this way. Woo. Naile, just here. Okay. Okay, here. Just passing here.
Oh, it's here.
Yes. It's not that one. Okay. Wow guys, so we're just over here as a family and we just with Dimango, David Juna, and the rest we shall introduce himself or themselves. Come along with me and the flow with vibe. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what did you think about today's videos. And here, it's a big stone, man. You must be very careful, you know, I'm telling you. Wow. Look at this. Oh. Just over here. You come this way. So, hey. So these stones, yeah, you must be very careful because it's slippery, and maybe you might fall down and knock your head like crazy. So let's see. Oh. Look at that, guys. Oh. Oh, there's some people taking shower. There's soap here. Look at that. I'm telling you. Whoa. Over there. Come this way. Yeah. Me help us.
That is it. You have to bait.
One-on-one, guys. One-on-one here. Hey, usikanyage mawe de butanguka vibaya sana. Ah, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So for me, I just sit here first and then went back. Oh guys, so I'm just over here inside the bush looking for the firewood and all stuff. Guys, do you get what I mean? So I'm just around on this bush here. I think I found for the starting one. So as we continue working. Oh. So let's take this one here. Real life in our village here, guys. Imagine. So, just over here. Oh, guys. You must be very careful, or else you might fall down, guys. I'm telling you. Look at that stones. Wow, guys. Iko sawa.
Baby, what are you making?
I'm just stopping this from here.
Yeah. You are so heartbroken you couldn't get the water.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
When some visitor here, guys. What? Look, that's Maine. Alright, guys, and today, let me know in the comment section what do you think about today's videos. But guys, I missed you a lot, so I'm trying to give you best content ever. And in case you're new here, guys, look, so that's my outfit for today, guys. And I love to wear simple, guys. Serious. I love to wear simple. That being said, so this is the waterfall over there. You can see how water flows. And that being said, we follow with vibe at the same time. So I'm just walking around. Show you. These stones are very simple. Right. Then come on other side. You see, guys, how water have been flowing. Look, let me show you, guys. Look how water have been flowing. So today, one-on-one, they were being introduced themselves here. Let's see. Hey!
Come closer, baby.
Dumpling for days.
Peanuts.
And add a little bit of spices. So I'm adding mixed spices. Just to spice up the pot. Yeah, of course.
Baby was saying no.
No.
Go and thinking.
So this is black pepper, guys.
What do you want to cook here?
The fish.
You want to fry it?
Boil.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Hey, if you know what's the teamwork,
Yeah.
dream team.
Yeah, drink. Then we cover it. Sure. That is it. Hot. Sasa wacha hivi. Iva kiasi kidogo tu. Tengeneza hiyo mwenyewe na kutia. That was so thoughtful. Hata hapo kuni. Sasa.
What are you doing the next time?
Nini? Ndio. Hapa tutakuwa tumesave time sana.
Now we cover it for like 2 minutes.
Yummy.
Then we'll be ready, guys. That is getting ready. 2 minutes. We should start serving the dumplings now.
Yeah. People are hungry.
People are hungry.
Don't forget the lunch.
Sure, guys, we are hungry.
Oh yeah, the lunch. It's now. Actually, the time is now.
What's going on this other side?
Give me those plates I rinse them.
Your
I think they are good. Zimekuwa na hizi
Acha tunaona. Si maji ya kwa.
haya. Coriander. Coriander is the last thing you add. The very last. That's it. 1 minute and you'll be eating.
Okay.
Just see what has been making.
It's ready. Dumpling. How many, Sean?
No, one. I start with one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because some of our big, you can get big ones.
Oh, nice. Hey,
Hey,
David's waiting. I'm so hungry.
I know.
David's waiting eagerly.
Look at that.
Yeah. Okra water all the way.
Okra water. Okra
Guys, what's the benefit of
Okra
okra water?
Yeah. Seems like you know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Nene, 2 dumplings.
One.
Yeah.
Okay, and starter,
Are there people up there? They come and enjoy.
Okay, go. Hold the lady. I'll call
They
them.
went.
Come on, hold you. How? Hold the minute when you're talking.
Oh, tenda huko na tumbo kuja.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh no, you share food. Watu wake. Na sisi hatuna ubaya.
Dumpling and
I can't wait, guys.
together with okra.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Nene.
Thank you. Yeah.
Looks so delicious.
Very. Nene, who taught you how to cook?
Hey, I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Sean has hello baby.
Hey. Me.
Here.
This Christmas.
First time guys taste Jamaican okra.
Jamaican okra. Dumpling.
Dumpling. Guys, dumpling. Round ongeza tumbo, no problem.
Okay. Baby, give me the same.
The same.
God bless this food.
Amen.
Amen. Shortcut.
The boiled fish is so good.
This is my very first time to try the boiled.
Guys, let me wash my hand here. See? I want to wash my hand here. Imagine. What I fetch from here. We fetch water from here.
How is it?
Guys, I want to find a cool place.
There are forks that I put in the basket.
Hey,
Then
oh.
to give people forks. Oh no,
Hey, a man can try. Temo come.
That's a sign for you to just try now.
Tena unakanyaga hapa.
Maybe you call again. And you feel the just taking this. No, it's only that you are filming. Yeah.
Hapa hapa.
Nene, wipe here.
Thank you.
What? Wipe
Just
there.
tena
This is for the
maraga.
extra outfit. No, it's okay. Let's go filming. Huh? So finally, what's this for?
Ni-roll mpaka huko.
Ni hapa.
Oh, guys, it's time to leave. Hey, I'm full, man. To taste dumpling for Jamaican. Ooh. Thank you so much, Dimong, for preparing us dumpling. We call dumpling. Hey, guys, you only take one, and you're full. Only one, you're full, man. Oh. So guys, today's videos are very, very special, and we're full outside, and let me show you another one here. It's here. So I want to show you where people take bath, taking shower. Within here, you can see the list stuff like laying down here. Oh, so here you must be very careful while walking on the stones. Oh my God, I want to show you. Guys, I was struggling from there. Look, from that way, going and then meet to the next waterfall. And guys, do you get what I mean? Actually, here is where men take shower. Trust me. I want to jump to the other side. From here to other side. Look, like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where men take shower. You can see the scum of the soap over here, and it's amazing one, guys. So maybe next time when you came here, I see the firewood, I'll come and plug this one here. Look, if you are new here, you wanna scare this place. Trust me, I'm telling you. If you are new on these places, you wanna be scared, guys. Look, the way things they are over there. You can tell in the comment section. And let's move, guys. So these stones are very, very slippery. Hey guys, I'm full. Look, that's my stomach, guys. But I eat good, I sleep in good time. I don't maybe think I'm not thinking maybe some stupid thing. I'm just focused with my life, man. So this is it. There. So let's meet with Dimongo, David Jr., Sharon. Oh, it's a crazy situation, you know. So much to pass here, and I touch like, oh, guys, look. I want that there. So you are cooking over there, and everything is gone. Hey, yeah. Look how that lady is struggling to pass there. You are struggling. And over here, guys.
Yes, guys. We have to climb up.
Yes.
Coming down is easy.
You see how Dio was struggling, guys. Mutigiri kinyongo.
Ngekio.
Even the beginner, guys.
Hey, let's go.
You struggle. Guys, when I put it on top soda, I think everything should be good, guys. Look at the view. Wow. Guys, I'm sweating like crazy.
Tired. Look at that.
Thing here, this boat, and it's time to go. Tena taswani gansi. Haya. Ingia. This is a Japanese machine. Yeah. Wagwan. Wagwan, guys.
Motorbike tungeumia.
Mmekula vizafu mcheza kwa barabara.
Tucheze tunaenda kununua soda, unasema tucheze.
Soda.
Kuna simu yangu. Yeah, uko nayo ni.
Goodbye. Kanfibo mwako ya aradisi. Well, guys, I have came from the journey, and the journey was so amazing, guys. So nice. So our journey for today are so amazing, and I learned something new. So I taste the dumpling and also Jamaican food, how have been prepared. Big shout out to Dimwango. I want to say thank you so much, because even me, it was my first time to taste you call dumpling or dumpling? A dumpling, guys. Wow. You eat only one and your stomach is full. Imagine. So we traveled so far from our village here, and in the morning I was around at Villa Menjerin, and now I'm back, guys. So don't mind, I changed the uniform, only the shirt. So I was going there. Hey, there's too much of sun, guys. I was going there, And I said, wow. My work is to sit and watching how was jumbling or being prepared, guys. What they mix with coconut, what and what. Imagine you eat only one and then you're full. Maybe in our village here, when you take mandazi, you can eat around 5 mandazi and then you can't hear anything that you're full. But a dumpling, man, only one. Oh, and you have already full. So let's see our yesterday work. Maybe the water have been reduced or increased. So you must check. Wow. Oh, yes, I think the level of water is okay. And Mr. Gek have already feed some fish here. So I'm supposed to clean this place here. Wow, guys, so look, Kenya relaxing here. Look. Hey, relaxing. A beautiful cat, guys, look. Wow, guys, so let's see the work for today. I'm supposed to clean here, and I think I could end my video, guys, for today. So, and I can't complain. Our journey was so amazing. So let's see how things they are here. So actually I want to clean these places. So like yesterday we have a lot of rain, and we're supposed to do so, you know, like rain is a kind of blessing, man. So I use this one correct to squeeze the rubbish. So I'll start from the door, from the main door over there. Start from here, of course. Like this, you know. Kena sangat ini. Ya kan kalau bana ni kebun. Ini harus sendiri. You know, guys, here you can't use some brooms, and then I'll head this way, guys, you know, down. So waiting me there. Some few minutes I'll be there. Coming slowly. Wow. So here we go. And then we collect at this place. So collect here. Wow, guys. So I collect here, and then I came on this angle. I think also here. This place, this highway must be look very clean. 24 hours. You can see even this one here. Wow. So that's how I end my day. You know.
Yes, can you please open the gate?
Oh, get it, cause yes. Alright. So there's some visitor around. Let me open for her some gate.
I knew it. Hi, baby.
I'm
Hello,
good.
baby.
Yes. Me, I was sweeping there. And I heard your voice, Uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle.
Because the other day I came here, I had you calling him uncle. So I
Yes.
was like, okay, maybe that's the name. How did you end up calling yourself baby?
Babe,
Hey.
that's my YouTube channel name.
Yes, but what inspired that?
Ooh, because first, wow, guys, let's go. Continue our work. You know, here, like, there's some leaves here. Continue with our work. That's how things they are, guys. You know? I'm using this. Oh, guys. Look even at this place. You see? Like this. See some leaves here. Kenya. I don't need to ask the name of the cat, guys. It's Kenya. You see? And then I collect here. So, let's see, guys. Some spread over there because here we have a man over here. So, I want to remove that sand and then I think I could end my video over there. That's how things there in our village here. You end video like that. Wow. You see they are enjoying here. So let me check the spade inside here maybe. If I could get the spade. Guys, no spade here. Maybe let me take djembe. Yes, I use this and then I want to take back the soil because we have a mano. Yeah, I don't know how things we call a mano. A mano means the stuff like this. So I've been covered by soil because yesterday we have a lot of rain, guys. So here I want to squeeze the sand back. Maybe I would place my camera somewhere here. I think you can see me better. What I'm doing over here. You could ever see this stuff. Oh. I think right now, guys, it's okay. Wow, look. So you could be able to see them like that. So, and then I'll come. Let me check the stuff. I want to collect the rubbish over here. So there's some basket over there. Imagine, guys, here every day there is some activity going on. So I'm supposed to collect them and then I think I'll end my video. So this is the collecting stuff and I'm heading this way, guys. Imagine. Right, left at the center, you turn right, left at the center, and then you end your day. Whew. I think here it's better. There's some leaves, guys. You can collect it with your hands, no problem. like this. Ooh. There's another one over here. Oh. So let's take to the dustbin, and actually it's outside, and we end the video. Wow, flow with vibe. Subscribe to my channel, comment, and also give a video a like, guys. But I'm heading outside. Wow. So here we throw some rubbish at this point. There's some other leaves here. We throw here. See here? You do like you do like boom over there. Wow. Look how the build of our village looks like, and most of the people, they start planting maize. And the good thing about in our village here, when you plant earlier, you harvest earlier. When you plant late, also you harvest late. It depends. You're hardworking, guys. Wow, I'm supposed to close the gate, and everything shall be good. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. I think I could end my video here, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the nails which I brought yesterday, and I'm supposed to done this work maybe yesterday, tomorrow morning, this one. So guys, much love, much greeting wherever you are. Bye bye, guys.